Google Gemini is one of the most popular AI tools right now, and its image generation is seriously impressive. You can create stunning, creative images in seconds, and sometimes the results are surprisingly good. But there's one annoying problem. Every image comes with the Gemini star watermark. And if you use those images to generate videos, the watermark stays in your final output. So in this video, I'll show you how to remove the Gemini watermark completely free. Before we start, click the official link in the description to download HitPaw FotorPea. After launching the app, sign up with your Google account or your email. Now head over to the toolbox and choose AI Canvas. Drag your image into the canvas. You can also import multiple images if needed. Next, click Object Remover to remove the watermark. Select AI Box Selection, then draw a box around the Gemini watermark. Once the area is highlighted, click Remove and wait a few seconds. And done! The Gemini watermark is now completely removed. Repeat the same process for the second image. As you can see, the watermarks on both images have been cleanly removed. And that's how you can remove the Gemini watermark quickly and completely for free. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.